But yeah, that's how that's looking. Looks quite sick now. What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video. Today's video might be a short one. I'm just installing a intake pipe on the VXR, and yeah, I just finished it now. So this is how it's going to be looking. And yeah, this is quite a lot bigger than that stock one, I'm not gonna lie. Intake pipe. Yeah, it's gonna look mad. Let's get it going, innit? Right now I'm just going to be undoing this, getting that clip away. Pretty easy to be honest, but yeah, that one's a lot bigger. There you go, that's off now. Might just take this engine kind of thing off. This thing's come off anyway. Let's buy a new one. Check down there in the turbo. There you go, I've got a clip right here. But I think this clip might be a bit too small. One thing I found out is the clips are too small. This one just fits, but then this clip for here is just too small. Oh, it'd be nice if it actually fitted. Yeah, see, that's not going to go over there, is it? The clip's too small, man. I mean, it goes on there, but because it's oversized. Literally, I've just made it fit. I literally had to take the clamp out proper, and then it's just fit. Right guys, this how it's looking. The carbon bit that was on this peeled off, but yeah, the turbo sounds a lot louder and the car feels like it has a little, the car feels a bit more responsive. But yeah, that's how that's looking. Looks quite sick now. Show you what it sounds like. How's the turbo? Sounds quite nice, man. guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and support me, as I always say. And don't forget about the £50 giveaway. All you got to do is subscribe, put post notifications on, and also follow me on Instagram at 24/7boost. And the link's going to be in the description down below.